Yes.
First time in the car
First time
on the
in the
road.
car. Oh my god.
And now we are driving this very beautiful place. Slow down a little bit. Yes, release the brake again. Press the accelerator. Great.
Ooh,
She can do it. She can do it. When you're driving along a road like this, and just focus your eye in the middle of the road, very far away.
Okay.
So the car will go straight all the time.
Okay.
Here we are. See the speed limit. Continue the speed. Don't slow down. Don't slow down. Now you just look behind you. Is it free?
Yeah.
Indicate and then see the steering like this and stop the indicator. But speed up again. Oh, what he's doing.